Porsche already. I got a 911 with a quadraphonic Blaupause. Christ, you don't need a quadraphonic Blaupause. What you need is a curveball. Porsche 911 Porsche. What you need is the curveball.
This is, to me, one of the funnest cars to drive because I love the look of the wide body car. It does everything well. So this car is fantastic to drive. Here it goes. My turbo look is a survivor. I'm the third owner of this car. The first two owners of this car took delivery of it in Las Vegas. There's a patina on this car, and the car looks spectacular. Despite all of the cars I've owned, I think I get more thumbs up, more nods, and more attention in this Porsche than any Porsche that I've ever owned.
Curveball. 911.